welcome back again to my channel, and thank you so much for watching in. And thank you so much for your support. Hope you guys enjoy my videos. Yeah, so today we got another Ethiopian music. This is a cultural music all the way from Ethiopia, Amhara, Gonda. What's up, my people of Gonda? What's up, my people of Amhara? It's your boy here, John Matches. I'm back again with another, cultural music here. And this is Africa. Yeah, we all about the culture. And I enjoy the African culture music than the Western music. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Respect this music, feel the vibe. And here we have Fasil Dimos Gondar Motabi. I don't know how to pronounce that. Motabi and Ethiopian characters on the end. So let's go. People of Gonda, people of Amhara, I want to see 1,000 subscribers only on this video. 1K subscribers. And this video reached like anyhow 10K, So let's go. This is a nice song, man. And happy Christmas, happy New Year. Yeah, here we go. And be sure to Nahum Records. Also the labels. Oh, sorry, I'm coming. I have to put something here that I forgot to put here. I'm gonna check on it. I'm gonna check. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna check on it. What is that thing? What are you? Okay, so we found it, and we're gonna play it here. Wow. Yo. Wow. Hey. I'm coming. What this thing has here? Wow. Oh my God.
Gondar Selanchi, ታየምኩና እንዲህ በማዛ መቻል ቃልና ገና ነው ገና ነው ገና
Wow, I really enjoy this and I love it. The Gonda people, if you loved it, don't forget to subscribe, man. Watch this dance, vibrating chest. Wow. ሰላም ማረፊያችን እናት ዓለም ኳንካሻችን ኢትዮጵያ ሀገራችን Wow.
አንጥረኛው ብዙ ባለ ብዙ እውቀት በሙሉ ወርቅ ነው የጎንደሬ ቤት ጎንደሬ ኩሩ ነው ለምን ትላላችሁ የሰው ልብ ሰርቆን ሲበላ ያያችሁ አትንኩ ነው እንጂ እሱ አይነካም ጎንደር ሲቀርቡት ታማኝ ነው ሲገቡት ወጣለ አያማ አሩባሩ ባለመርሽሩ አይናለው መውዘሩ ለአገሩ ይሞታል እንደ ሃይማኖቱ ጣታ መሳብ ያውቃል ባጎር መሰጣቱ አትንኩኝ ነው እንጂ ድንበር አትለፉ ወልቃይት ጠገዴን ማን ይለዋል ክፉ እንኳን በሕዝብ ቤት በቤተ መንግሥቱ ጎንደር የደግ ነው ሲያበላ በቤቱ ከሰራ ገለለው ወይስ ከግድግዳው ቆንጆና ጀግና ነው ጎንደር የሚወደው ጥምቀት ያከበረው ጎንደር ያንቷቆ መቼ ይመለሳል ሰው ፍቅርን ተጠምቆ እንኳን ያሸገረው እንኳን የራበው ገድግኖ ያቆርሳል የጠገበን ሰው አረግህ እንደምነሽ እንደምነሽ አረግህ እንደምነሽ አረግህ እንደምነሽ አለው ነገር አረጋለው ነገር አለው ነገር ሰው ማይነገር አለው ነገር አረጋለው ነገር አለው ነገር ሰው ማይነገር አንዱን ባንዳበር እንደማር እድሜግን አይደክም ናስት ሀገርህ አንዱን ባንዳበር እንደማር እድሜግን አይደክም ናስት ሀገርህ ሀገርህ
Thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much for great support. I hope you loved the video, you enjoyed the video. This is my review on this video, and this is my reaction on this video. It's so nice. I love the music, I love the culture, I love the traditional. The Gonda people are Ethiopian people are Now I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Respect to each and every one of you, and peace out.